Faxon Engineering is an AS9100 ISO9001 certified company, and the TrulinX software by Tribute has many components that help us develop, monitor, and meet our overall quality objectives. The TrulinX software provides a variety of quality-enhancing features. When it comes to quality, it's all about the detail. Two of TrulinX's most helpful features for this are their bill of materials and their comment options. A given bill of materials can sometimes be built in different ways. The different methods of assembling the same parent item are referred to as versions and allow us to make detailed changes for various customer requirements. The Comments tab is found in Item Maintenance as well as Quotes and Sales Order Maintenance. This feature enables us to include detailed checklists with work instruction and customer requirements that can be clearly displayed throughout the workflow process. In addition, TrulinX gives us the ability to monitor on-time delivery performance from our vendors, the ability to monitor our customer service level performance, either per customer and/or by tracking sales product categories. We oversee inventory adjustment areas such as on-hand, damaged, lost, or transferred inventory. And it assists our quality manager by allowing us to implement safeguards such as receiving inspection process. This process ensures that products requiring inspection are not released for shipping until they are approved in TrulinX. This helps us achieve our goal of 0 defects out to our customers. The TrulinX software by Tribute makes it easy for us to receive, ship, and invoice according to both our customer and our quality management system requirements. This is Jennifer Osborne, Project Manager and ISO Management Representative here at Faxon. To learn more about what Faxon can do for you, visit us at faxonengineering.com.